Right, so today, after we've got the bike started and we know she's running, what I think the next step is we'll get these wires taken off, just what we put on yesterday. We'd rather it's easy to put back together, and then we'll get it all cleaned down, get the jet wash on it, get it all degreased, and get rid of the 17 plus years worth of grime and cobwebs and mould and whatnot. We've got a few kicking about. It's relatively cleaned up, but for me keeping our wipe down as we're going, but no, I think we'll definitely need to give her a good clean up there, get rid of all the years of gunk and grime, and then see what we're really dealing with. And quite a bit of what we're dealing with bad previous paint jobs, but we'll see what we can do with them later on down the line. This is the one stuff I want to get rid of, all of this, you know. So yeah, let's get her cleaned out and go from there. What I think we'll do for this, for these, is I'll just wrap them up in a carrier bag, and then just tape it up, just to keep them more protected, just more the connection, just so they don't corrode over. Again, I'm going to do a new wiring harness for this. I think I'm definitely sure about that. I don't know if I want to make it basic or if I want to keep it exactly how it is, because you can still get these all the wiring kits and everything online to do. You just order it in lengths. So yeah, I think we'll I'll get this tidied up, get it secured, and then we'll get it rolled outside, and we'll get it degreased and get the jet wash on it. Rookie mistake. Right, let's get these off before I even go. Right then, we're all blocked off now, so let's get back at it. Yeah, so I noticed this before. The front brake calipers seem to be binding. Hello. So the front brake calipers seem to be binding on, and that I haven't even had the master cylinder off yet. The cap to check to see what it's like. But what I'm going to do before I even roll this back in, I'm going to take these off and then get the and just take the calipers off. I'll just leave them loose up top, you know, because it's getting difficult to move around, and I don't want them binding and sticking on even further, especially now they're being wet. So the trick is get them off, and then I've got something on order now that I think will really help us as well, so that'll get us going. But yeah, get the calipers off now. Right guys, after the scene next, I decided I really wanted to get the carbs back on the bike after it got a full clean. One, I wanted to get the bike up to temperature, possibly get it dried out a bit more, but also I wanted to know what was going on because I could hear her rattling on as it was ticking over, and she was obviously smoking a lot as well, as you could probably see by the little picture at the beginning of the video. So yeah, got to go back over again, but it wasn't really the best, as you can hear it there. Looking at the frame, she's definitely been welded and re-welded a couple of times, so I'm not really that upset about that, cutting it up to make it into a Café Racer. If anything, it confirms that it can be done, but we've got more to dig into and more coming up, so thanks for watching.